Alright guys, we got a Whirlpool washer here, and complaint on this one was not washing, but you have to understand that, see how that's turning, free spinning? It's not supposed to do that. You should have some resistance. So I'm going to show you a quick and easy temporary fix for this. So that's a 7/16 nut. You remove that, and I'm going to take the wash plate off. And basically what we're going to do, we're going to use, if you have a rubber glove or something rubber, and we're going to basically insert it inside of that, and we're going to put it back onto the shaft. And once that is on, it's going to be nice and snug. Also, you have to make sure you put a cutout. Once, I'll explain as we roll. So to back up a little bit, this is going to be where you put your clothing in and the washer is not moving the clothing. You take a look in and the clothes are just not being washed. So the wash plate is not moving. The splines, you can see how they're smooth. And so what we're going to do, we're going to basically try and make a better contact surface between the wash plate and the shaft. So once we do that, we're going to put the bolt back in. It's going to pull it down, and it's going to be nice and tight. So any kind of rubber that you might have, it has to be thin. And you're going to have to kind of work it, play with it until you get the nice fit. Now, this is a temporary repair. It might last a while, or who knows. But at least it will allow you to get, a few loads in and get the part ordered. So that's what it is. So enjoy the rest of the video, and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
You go to the courthouse. I thought people were going to get served. Because I'll pay $75. Why did they call me? I really because Monica told us not. Don't contact me. I think I'll have to call. Like, that's what he said. So all
All right, you got a small towel or something? I want to put something in.